Okay, now one of the things I want to show you is you've got crusted buttercream, and we've got some fun little candy pearls and sixlets that we're going to put on the cake. See those? Susan has these at her shop. You also can see who's carrying these.
Right.
Now this is crusted buttercream. It's not going to stick. You have to put a dollop of frosting. See that? Am I on the way?
Yep.
So that it'll stay put. On your sides, same thing. Any decoration you want to hang on to your buttercream, it has to have a dollop put onto it so it'll stay put with the crusting. Okay, now the other thing I want to show you guys about this cake, this is a yellow cake with buttercream.
Mm-hmm.
And we know how Michael feels about cake. He loves
Who, me?
cake. That's you.
Yeah, I guess.
I made some flowers. I'm sure you saw them on that picture. That's not my work. That was somebody else's work, but I loved it and thought they need to see that technique.
Mm-hmm.
So here is some flowers for you to see. Okay? I'm going to show you how to make them. All right, I've got some gum paste. And gum paste is basically fondant with Tylose added. Confectionery Arts International.
Okay.
Susan carries this at the Cake Cottage.
Excellent.
It's like anywhere from $4 to $5 per container. It goes a long way. Okay?
Okay.
Good. All right, so here's my gum paste. I'm going to bring it out here. What I did was I'm going to take a piece of this and roll it up, pour it into a ball. You take a ball of this, you have your rose cutters, rose petals. Do you see these?
Mm-hmm.
Any size. I've got a whole container of a whole bunch of different sizes. So you just play with it all you want to make the right size. Look how tiny that one is.
Wow.
Teeny tiny. This is a little set. I just pick up rose cutters sets everywhere I go, just because you can never have enough different variety of sizes of the cutters. Okay? I'm going to make a ball, and I'm going to press it flat. I'm going to dust it with my cornstarch, because I don't want it to stick to this. All right, and I've got my gum glue, which is a half teaspoon of Tylose powder. Tylose powder into a container, and then fill it up with water. Shake it like crazy, let it sit overnight, and then you can take your paintbrush and stir it till you get the right consistency. See how the consistency is?
I was going to say, what is the right consistency? Is it kind of...
It's kind of runny, kind of goopy. If it's too thick, add more water until you get the consistency. I added more water last night. So it just kind of drips. See how it's dripping off of there?
Kind of like glue.
Kind of like glue. All right. We'll get this off of here so I can touch the other end. All right, so I want to I want to moisten this down with my Tylose. Now, this is the fun part. This is the big one, so I'm going to use this size. It's up to you what size you want. This is really quick and easy to do. Okay?
Got it.
No set size. I would say this is 1 inch across. Cutting. I like this little mat because it lets it slide. Now, see how that's rounded on this side from the cutting? It went down. I want to flip it over, and I want to bring it up and pinch it while it's fresh. This side is the moist side under here. So I'm going to pinch it. Just like that. That's all there is to this. And then we're going to set it down in here. Like that. We're going to go to another one.
What is that little holder the white thing you're setting in it? What's that called?
It's a flower former, and it's sold at the craft stores. And there's like a set of 8 per container at the craft store. So I just pick up a set here and there with a 40% off coupon. Now I pinched another one. I'm gonna set it in here. I'm gonna press down. See how I'm pressing down, that just to make those edges come down and touch the sticky part?
Mhm.
Okay, good. Go to another one. We're gonna do that all the way around.